Hello, my name is Jason Laney, a meteorologist here with the National Weather Service in El Paso, Texas, and this is a winter weather briefing for a storm that is unfolding today, Sunday, and could continue on into Monday. We're keeping an eye on things, and let me show you what's going on out there right now with our visible satellite image. We've already got the clouds in place and a little precipitation, and it's all part of a big upper-level low-pressure system that's located right there near Puerto Penasco right now. And this is what I'm referring to as a rather warm winter storm for us. This is drawing up some warm and moist air ahead of it. That's what's giving us the cloud and the precipitation, but it's also creating some rather high snow levels out there. So what's going to happen, this storm is going to slowly track this direction across the area over the next day and a half, couple of days there, spreading rain from west to east and then higher mountain snows. And the real trick is going to be how low the snow levels go out there. So let me show you what we're thinking as far as the storm is concerned. And I'm going to give you the worst case scenario, and that would be very heavy snow in the higher terrain of the Gila and Sacramentos. How much is heavy snow? Well, 8 to 10 inches in the Gila, 6 to 8 inches over the Sacramentos. But again, that is a worst case scenario. Our real focus here is the impact of this, and that will be the snowy, slick roads across parts of the Gila and the Sacramentos. In the Gila as early as midday today, and the Sacramentos starting late afternoon and evening, and across those areas throughout the night tonight and much of the day tomorrow. You can see what we're calling for in the Gila locally up to 9 inches, but 3 to 6 is a pretty good average for snowfall totals in our forecast, dropping just a little bit, 3 to 5 inches, locally up to 7 inches in the Sacramentos. And most of the heavy snow is going to be above about 7,500 feet, but we'll see snow as low as 6,000 feet with this thing, but probably not much lower than that. Forecast highs today in the 50s in the lowlands, lows mid to upper 30s, so that doesn't really support snow in the lowlands out of the storm. Again, it's a warm storm. And as we look ahead to temperatures Monday and Monday night, kind of the same story as we continue to see this warm flow ahead of the approaching storm. Mid-50s lowland highs tomorrow and lowland low temperatures even tomorrow night as the storm is departing. Not quite falling below freezing at most of the locations out there. A couple of spots could get that cold, but definitely we think this storm's bringing the precipitation. We've already had rain so far through the morning, Sunday morning, across much of far western, southwestern parts of New Mexico, even a little snow around Silver City. So liquid water equivalents, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Translate that into snow where we think the snow is going to fall. And we've got a couple of spots that we're focusing on, again, right over the Blacks, the Pinos Altos range, as well as the Sacramento Mountains out there. So we zoom in a little bit to get some of the totals that we're expecting in these areas. And you can see right around Emery Pass where the highway goes over the Black Range there, up to 10 inches of snow possibly, and even just northeast of Silver City there around Pinos Altos, better than 3 inches of snow. In the Sacramentos, Cloudcroft, maybe about 5 inches of snow, Sunspot 6 inches, Timber Run right at about 6 inches of snow. So over the course of time, we do think we're going to have some pretty decent snows in the mountains. Now, we have some uncertainties as always with every storm system. First of all, with this being a warm storm, how low will the snow level go? Will it stay even higher than we think it will, or will it drop a little lower? That affects who gets snow and how much. And this is a heavy wet snow, so it tends to kind of pack down a little bit so you don't get those lofty accumulations, but still can create very slick driving conditions. Any snow at all can cause some problems. And of course there's that concern for a light wintry mix across parts of the area as well. Of course, we're going to continue to monitor the storm. We ask you to do the very same thing, especially if you'll be driving through some of the areas that will be impacted by the snow. Follow us on social media, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. One of the best places to get information is our website at weather.gov/El Paso. Of course, we'll continue to monitor the storm and bring you updates over the course of the next couple of days.